Can you imagine a phone that packs a 10,000 milliamp battery but as thin as a regular flagship? As a built-in fan that can truly cool the CPU so you can game all day and all night, and has the flagship chipset but with a very friendly price. Yes, you heard it right. This is the Honor Win, a new series from this brand. The one in my hand is the Win RT. We picked up this one because we think it has a better value than the Win. Now, this video is just a hands-on. We will do a more thorough review of it later, so stay tuned. And if you're intrigued already, you can head to geekwheels.com for your purchase, link down below. So you may ask why and how. First of all, we have seen many phones with a 7,000 plus milliamp hour batteries this year already. Now this 10,000 milliamp battery has come to the scene. This may not be the only massive battery in the time to come, but it sets the mark. The battery is so big that it can be used as a power bank for sure, and it is thinner than almost all the power banks that has the same capacity. It can also reverse charge other devices with a maximum of 27 watts. To top this phone up, there's a 100 watt charging brick and a 6 amp compatible cable in the package. Here's a difference between the Win and the Win RT. The RT does not have the 80 watt wireless charging like the Win. Now another highlight is the built-in fan. We have seen the Red Magic phone or tablet with the fan there, but it barely does anything for the cooling. Things are different on this phone. The fan can run at 25,000 RPM and it actually cools the CPU quite efficiently. The chipset is actually very close to the fan here. The air gets inside from the circle, works on the CPU directly, then goes out from a window under the island here. Quite clever design. Overall, it says the temperature of the phone during gaming can be maintained at about 40 degrees Celsius more or less, and overall 6 degrees Celsius lower than it could be. We will see if it is true in the full review. There are two modes to control the fan, the smart mode and the manual mode. Under the smart mode, the fan will automatically run itself based on the overall temperature, and the manual mode, as you can imagine, if you game for a long time, you can turn it on all the time to get the best gaming experience. The fan might consume a bit more power, but who cares? You have a 10,000 milliamp battery here. Oh, almost forgot, there's still VC cooling at the back here, which is another contributor to temperature control. Next, the chipset. The Win gets the latest A Elite Gen 5, well, it's A Elite on the Win RT. These two are still the top ones in the smartphone processor rankings. You wouldn't run into any performance issues at all. Other hardware like LPDDR5X Ultra plus UFS 4.0 is also present. Pair up with the built-in fan, it can fully release the potential of the chipset. There's also the special gaming optimizer, which can largely shorten the loading speed in gaming. It is a 6.83-inch phone, still a big one. The resolution is about 1.5K, brightness up to 6000 nits in the small window. The refresh rate though is up to 185Hz, but of course only some games can really use the native 185Hz, some can use 165Hz. The screen also has the industry's highest 5920Hz PWM dimming, and the screen is TUV certified, so it is also very eye-friendly. Even with a fan that opens up the chassis, the phone still maintains an IP68 plus IP69 and IP69K waterproof rating, and the frame is aluminum, not plastic. The cameras on the Win are still capable, I would say. There are the 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel wide angle, and a 50 megapixel front camera. While on the Win RT, there isn't a telephoto camera. Here are the sample shots from the Win RT. So overall, the Honor Win series is quite impressive. You will be shocked to see a 10,000 milliamp battery on a smartphone. There isn't another one for any brand that has this kind of battery yet. And the chipset is also the top ones. Paired with the built-in fan, the performance is very aggressive and consistent. The 185Hz refresh rate can be used in many games. You can really game with it all day and all night. Remember, the price is still very friendly. Alright, if you want to buy this phone right now, head to geekwheels.com for your purchase, link down below. This is Will from China. See you soon.